1 Minute English.
In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the difference between each and every. Each is used when we think of things separately and is usually used for a small number. For example, there are 4 pencils on the table. Each pencil is a different color. Every is used for a group and is similar to all. It is usually used for a large number. For example, every person in the group is a man. We can use each, but not every, for 2 things. For example, each soccer team has 11 players. We can use every, but not each, for how often something happens. For example, I read every day.